Please put your hands together for the amazing energy. The Steamboat Springs African Dance Group, led by wonderful, the most energetic Robin Getter, and her wonderful dancers, including Amber Richards, Jennifer Lowe, Lisa Seraldo, Molly Minturn, Nicole Jayla Fox, Kathy South, and Cindy Van Horn. Thank you very much, ladies. Beautiful performance. I want to thank again the Steamboat Springs Art Council, Michael Moss, the producer, and the man in charge of putting this all together today. Thank you very much to mudseason.com for putting us on the web and on the map and working together with